What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. In this review, we are going to go over this lawn sweeper. This is what happened. As of right now, the leaf sweeper is becoming very popular these days. So let's check it out. Okay, so this is supposed to go downwards like that. All right, so you see how there's a square here, but you're going to put it from the inside. Make sure the square comes out. And again, make sure your square is out. All right. And then your nut. And then you can tighten it up. Looking good. All right, put this side on. This might be the most simple thing. That is so cool. So we're gonna take this cap off. Push just a tad. Slide it in. There we go. Going to put the knob on. From what I see on the picture, that wrong. Gotta flip it. There we go. One that goes on top is the long one. Okay. And then it fits right on in. And then another rod goes here on the bottom. Fit it right through. All right. So when you do this, make sure you put the rod right in there. Okay. Left. All right. So you have a strap here. So you use this strap. Boom. You got another strap on this side. Boom. With this, same situation. You have a strap. You can strap it around. Strap it around. All right. So you got a bag. So right now I got it on very high. All right. I'm on the highest setting. I'm just going to put it on low just so everybody can see the lowest setting. Definitely picking up. Oh, it looks good, you guys. That's not bad at all. Now I gotta start emptying it. We are full with our leaves, so what we do is take our brackets off. Okay. And then I'm gonna take the bottom one off. And then we are going to dump it into the bag that they provided. But again, I put it in my backyard. So I could probably fit about 2 loads up in here. All right. So it's not that bad, you guys. You see? Picking up the leaves. I could drop it down just a little bit lower. That is it with the lawn sweeper. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.